Replacing LCD of Oppo Reno. Using a pry tool and card, gently remove back cover. Remove all 22 screws. Using a pry tool or pick, remove main board cover. Using a pry tool, remove the speaker. Remove and disconnect all flex cable. Remove charging flex. Using a pry tool, gently remove the subboard into main frame. Using a pry tool or pick, separate the LCD into main frame. Make sure to remove the old adhesive and dirt into the frame before installing new LCD. Apply a thin layer of adhesive into frame. Gently place the new LCD into frame. Let it dry for at least 30 minutes. Place the rubber seal on LCD flex. Place the subboard into the frame. Connect LCD flex. Place and connect the charging flex and other flex. Place the speaker into the frame. Place the 11 screws. Connect all flex in main board. Place the main board cover. Place all 11 screws. Apply a thin layer of adhesive glue into the frame. Place the back cover. Let it dry for at least 30 minutes. Now let's test the touch screen.